Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! So my name is Hikmawati Fajikayuwandana. I'm a computer science student at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. So this is my second English speaking video for my English assignment. And in this video, I would like to tell you about how to do hand lettering. Yeah. So there are many kinds of things you need to prepare for hand lettering. The first one is brush pen. So this is the main tools for doing hand lettering. I recommend you to use this Tombow dual brush pen. It is a water-based ink brush pen. And then there is also ballpoint. You need to have this so you can make the outer stroke of your letter. Next, there are also many highlighters to highlight your letter, so it helps to show a shadow effect for your letter. So if you're a complete beginner at lettering, I suggest you to do a lot of practice, okay? So right now I am going to show you how to do some practice for hand lettering, okay? So the first one is by making wavy lines, and you need to make sure you are using less pressure for upstroke and more pressure on downstroke, okay? Okay, let's come closer to the paper. First one is wavy lines. Okay, I'm going to pick the brown one and try to start with wavy lines. Upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. Yeah, so you need to repeat this for about many times so it can be smoother. Okay, upstroke, downstroke. Okay, after making wavy lines, we can practice to make alphabet from A to Z. Okay, I'm going to pick another color, the green one. I'm going to write alphabet. Okay, the second one is alphabet. First one is A, the first trial. Okay, so you need to write this more and more, and also B, practicing. It helps you to remember which part of your lettering style for the upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. Yeah. So it helps you to build your own style of lettering. This is the example of another alphabet. Okay, so this is the alphabet from A to Z. So especially for a beginner, I want you to know that it is important to remember which one, the downstroke, the upstroke, and also you need to make sure that you're not going too fast or too slow. Why? Because when you're doing it too fast, so you forget which one is the thick one, the thin one. First thing you need to know is you need to pick two color of brush pen. For example, this is the purple. I picked the light purple and the dark one. So so you can make a gradation for your letter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to write English, the word English. Okay, just remember the upstroke and downstroke. Downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. Yeah, we can make the gradation. You need to pick the dark one of purple. Okay, and you need to color half of this word by the light one and the dark one to make the gradation. Okay, after this you can make the outer stroke of your letter. Okay, now after making the outer stroke of our letter, we can make the gradation by using a highlighter. Okay, now it's been highlighted to make an effect of shadow, yellow shadow. Okay, now I want to show you another examples of lettering. Now I want to write mathematics. So the base color is light green. Now I want to put another color as the gradation as always. Yeah, so as you can see here, the gradation of purple, I mean the dark one, is on the top side. And now I want to try whether it is beautiful or not, great or not. So yeah, so I'm going to put the dark one on the bottom of the letter. Yeah, you know, this is the top one and it's the bottom. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all about how to do hand lettering. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.